To make a light bulb changer, you just need to find a bottle that have a diameter slightly larger than the light bulb you want to change. Then, you need a towel, or in this video, I'm using cannibal. Just insert the towel in the bottle like this. Set the thickness of the towel so the bottle can hold the light bulb quite firmly. After that, you just need to find a long rod. Then connect the rod with the bottle. Let's try to remove the lamp. It works perfectly. To install the light bulb, just do the same thing. Wrap the lamp with a towel. Then insert it to the bottle. Make sure to strongly connect the bottle with the rod. If not, the bottle may have stuck up in the ceiling like this. If that's the case, just use some wire to take down the bottle. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope it can be useful for you. Subscribe our channel for more useful information.